everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since we made a video. I wasn't planning on making a video on cutting these logs, but I was cutting out the oak. I was cutting 2 oak logs, and I had a bunch of sawdust here, as you guys can see, and the sawdust chute was starting to hit on this sawdust. I'm like, I'll just raise it up. I don't feel like shoveling it all right now. It's so hot and humid. And so I raised up the sawdust chute, and the sawdust was shooting. You guys can see it was shooting all the way down here from the sawmill there all the way down here. For all of you guys that have been here long enough, you know that I had a 35 before the 70. I just recently got the 70 a few months ago. Got like 120 hours on it now, but the 35 would barely make it out of the shed, and then like the 70, whatever focus, is shooting it all the way down there. It's pretty fascinating, I thought, to see, so I decided to make a video of it and show you guys what we've been up to. But mainly still cutting all cedar like usual, but we just cut these 2 oak logs, cutting like they're for delivery trucks, like the side rails on the delivery trucks, like 1x6s for that, and then there was a stake post, like go in the stake pockets on the trucks. But I don't know how many there was. I can show you the pile we got cut, but you guys just see we got some rock laid down here finally. This winter is going to be really a lot better, trying to keep everything nice and clean, and people that come to pick up lumber, we don't have it all spread out, and it's still kind of raining in between, so it's not perfectly all pretty and everything yet, but I'm going to keep the skid steer clean. But yeah, there's a stack of wood we just cut, this pile of oak here. So there's only 2 logs. They're pretty decent sized logs, but just wanted to show you guys that. Thought it was pretty cool. Hope you guys liked the video, and sorry there's been the lack of videos we've been making, but the summer is just ridiculously busy, working full-time and trying to keep up with orders after work and on weekends. Is just super busy. And but yeah, this winter, or this fall and winter, when everything's slow, when work side of things slow down a little bit, hopefully we'll be making more videos, and definitely be bringing you guys along. So hope you liked the video, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.